Okay, what's going on, Tycoon? So today, I'm super excited to bring you this video. We're looking at UBER, that's Uber. Everybody knows what Uber is. Uber everywhere. Yeah, we know that song. Anyways, I have the daily chart pulled up real quick. Two quick things. All right, I want to show you guys a daily gap I have charted here, all the way down to basically $36. Okay. And next thing I want to show you is the other daily gap down we have, down to about $40. All right. So as I typically say, gaps tend to fill about 90 to 95% of the time. With that being said, I am hopefully looking for Uber to drop in the near time future for some long-term positions. All right, as you can see, I have a buy zone highlighted here. The reason I have this as my buy zone is because I have a year-long to 5-year or more long-term position outlook on Pinterest currently at the moment. Okay, and as we can see, if it fills this bottom gap right here, it's 37% off. Okay, did you hear that? It's just like an Xbox. It's just like a brand new pair of Jordans. It's just like a Rolex. It's just like your brand new car, whatever you want. Something that you feel good about, that you want to put your money into, is on sale for 37%. Okay, so that's why I particularly see this gap as initially a good buy zone to start accumulating. But I'm still open to the possibility that this further bearish gap down will fill as well also. So anywhere in here, I don't mind as a long-term 1 to 5 year position to hold for a long time. So maybe some shares or some long-term leap options contracts. And if we do get below here, then maybe I would reevaluate on where my next buy zone would be. Okay. So that's a long-term position. As you can see here, I have a red basically channel. Okay. Pinterest had or I'm sorry, Uber had a nice run up from 32 to 64. So it literally doubled 100%. And after that, it consolidated for a little bit. So that's what this channel is right here. This is its consolidation channel. This is its big run up. And this was, the all-time highs, the breakout. Okay. And we're currently trading below this daily channel right now. So that would mean that we are in bearish territory. All right. Um, the stock has already been down here below this gap as well. So what we have drawn up right here, let me show you guys a couple things, okay? So I have a little bit of some bullish divergence. It's super, super slight. It's really hard to see the trend line, but it's basically from here up and from here down, okay? The RSI has been slowly making slightly higher lows while the stock has been making lower highs and also lower lows. Okay. So, if we do see a bounce zone, and let's say we enter this area right here, and it also happens to be bouncing off of this RSI trend line, this bullish divergence trend line. That's why I said I'm comfortable going long in those positions for long-term positions. I think you should be too. Short term, we'll look a little bit lower on a lower time frame down at the 4-hour chart. And I want to show you guys that we have a triple top, okay? Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. No, but for real though, that's a triple top, okay? We have right here, 1, 2, 3. This could be a bearish pattern, okay? It's currently trading a little bit above it, all right? Or actually, we're right at the highest high of it. So, um, I wouldn't be surprised if we get a little bit above it and then fall below it, okay? But we could make a quad top, okay? And a quad top is even more of, I would say, a bearish signal, okay? So look for that. We have these two gap downs, okay? But um, Uber is showing some bullish momentum. Okay, the RSI on the 4-hour chart is squeezing right now, and it's trying to break out above it. So we could see these things expand again, and it could have a nice push up, just like how it did here, where it was squeezing. and then ran up way above the Bollinger Bands. So right now we're squeezing after hours, and we could see it go way above, okay? Or we could see it get rejected by the Bollinger Band, fall down to the middle Bollinger Band, and if we get below this lower Bollinger Band on the 4-hour chart, then I would say we're definitely in some bearish territory, and we could be losing support. And you could look for these gaps to fill, these daily gaps to fill in the next couple days. So let me know what you guys think. Leave a comment or, let me know what you guys want to see. Thank you.